An accident is over in a flash, but the choices you make right after can affect you for years. That first settlement offer you get? It's not generosity, it's a trap. Their goal is to pay you as little as possible. The other driver's insurance adjuster may sound friendly, but they are trained to use your own words against you. Claim denials are common, but the surprising part is that a huge portion of them are entirely preventable. We will now show you the biggest mistakes that cost people thousands, and a step-by-step plan to protect your rights. So, what's the first mistake you can make at the scene? It's two simple words. I'm sorry. It can be seen as admitting fault. You might feel shaken up, but not seriously hurt. But what about injuries whose symptoms won't appear for hours or even days? Another vital step. Always call the police. Without an official report, the other party could later deny the accident happened. While you wait for help, your phone is your most powerful tool. Document everything: damage, skid marks, and road conditions. A very modern mistake is posting about your accident online. Investigators are watching, and one post can destroy your credibility. Let's return to the idea of feeling fine. Why is delaying a doctor's visit so bad for your claim? Insurers will argue your injuries aren't severe. This is how those hidden injuries we mentioned can ruin a case. Whiplash symptoms can take days to appear. An immediate medical record links them to the accident. And one checkup isn't enough. Following your doctor's full treatment plan creates an undeniable paper trail of your injury and your recovery process. You've documented the scene and your injuries. Now the legal system kicks in, and this is where most people feel completely overwhelmed. Many people fear a long court battle, but that's a myth. Over 95% of personal injury cases settle out of court. Your documented evidence determines the outcome. Compensation isn't just for medical bills. The law recognizes non-economic damages for things like pain and suffering. This is often the largest part of a claim. But how can you afford a lawyer? Most work on a contingency fee. This means you pay nothing up front. They only get paid if they win your case. Beyond photos, a personal injury journal is powerful. Record your daily pain from 1 to 10. Note activities you can no longer do. This makes suffering concrete. Think about this. You post a picture from a BBQ to stay positive. A defense attorney asks, does this person look like they're in agonizing pain? Context is erased. So, compare two people with the same injury. One delays medical care and posts online. The other sees a doctor and documents everything. Who gets a fair settlement? Now for the most dangerous trap, the invisible clock. Every state has a strict deadline called the Statute of Limitations. Miss it by 1 day, and your rights are gone. And it gets trickier. If a government vehicle was involved, deadlines can be drastically shorter, sometimes just 6 months, with completely different rules. But what if you don't know you're injured? An exception called the discovery rule may apply. In some cases, the clock starts when the injury is found, not on the accident date. Remember that lowball offer from the beginning? Now you see how they justify it. They use your delay in seeing a doctor to argue your claim is worth less. And that friendly adjuster? They are actively looking for those social media posts we warned about, building a case against you to defend their low offer. Do you see the pattern? The entire claims process is a battle of documentation. The insurance company is documenting to minimize their payout. You must do the same. Let's recap the 3 biggest mistakes. 1. Admitting any fault. 2. Delaying medical treatment. 3. Ignoring the statute of limitations clock. And the 3 most powerful actions you can take. 1. Get immediate medical care. 2. Document the scene and your daily struggles. 3. Know your deadlines. An accident can make you feel powerless, but information is power. By avoiding these mistakes, you shift the balance of power back to your side. So when that first low settlement offer arrives, you won't see it as a relief. You'll see it as the starting point of a negotiation you are prepared to win. Protect yourself. Don't let a simple mistake jeopardize your recovery. After seeing a doctor, your next step should be getting professional legal advice.